question number 5. Integrate 3x times exponent 4 minus 2x dx. Okay, so now we are going to use this formula, integrate u dv, and so you already know it, that we need to let u and we need to let dv, am I right? But you do not know which one is supposed to be u and which one is supposed to be dv. So how do we know it? It's according to the tips of Lopad. The ones that come in the first will become your u. So in this case, you have a polynomial, you have exponent. So which one coming first? Is it poly or is it exponent? According to the Lopad, p, the ones that poly, is before the exponent. Therefore, your u will become the 3x here. And the rest of them will become the dv. Okay? So now let's write it down. So let u is equals to our 3x, while the dv here is the rest of them, which is exponent 4 minus 2x dx. Okay, the rest of them, as I said, the rest of them will become the dv. That is what I write down here. Okay, itu yang saya tulis di sini. And so we have to continue. We got to find our du with respect to differentiate the u with respect to x. Therefore, gonna give us 3. Remember, dalam by parts, kena jadikan du sebagai subject, and it will give us 3 dx. While here, we need to integrate both sides, and it's gonna give us v sahaja. Okay, that is our goal. We want to get the v. And so we integrate the exponent. 4 minus 2x, it will give us copy-paste the question back, but we must divide it with -2. We must always remember that we need to divide with -2. You know this already, okay? And now we are ready to use the formula, okay? We are now ready to use the formula. Soalannya adalah ini, the u and the dv. This is the soalan. But untuk soalan ini, saya tak nak lagi tulis yang ini. Tak tulis ini pun tidak apa. Saya terus tulis the uv minus integral v du. So my uv is 3x times with these things. I just duplicate this. It's easier, faster. Minus with integrate v du. So integrate v. My v is still these things. And my u right now here is 3 dx. Okay, times it with, I put times as a dot, times it with 3 dx. That is what I got. So this is the formula. Whenever you forgot how to write this down, you write down the formula uv minus integral v du. You tulis setiap formula ini sebanyak yang mungkin supaya you akan automatically hafal. Alright? And so the answer is -3 over 2x exponent 4 minus 2x. So yang di depan ni dah pun dapat markah. Depan ni sudah pun betul. So yang belum selesai adalah yang di belakang, which is I simplify it, I will get a positive instead. Positive 3 over 2 integral with exponent of this, and then ditutupkan pula dengan dx. And so I only need to solve at the back here, which is it will give me the answer of exponent 4 minus 2x over -2, and then I must not forget to put plus c. Therefore, my final answer, it is just -3 over 4. It's a new answer, okay? -3 over 4 times with exponent 4 minus 2x, and then tutupkan dengan plus c. That's it. That is my answer for this question number 5. Let's go to the last example for integration by part, which is question 6. Integrate x times cos 2x. Integrate it with respect to x. So you scan dulu soalan ni. Soalan ni mempunyai poli. Soalan ni mempunyai trigo. So menggunakan tips Lopek, siapa yang datang dahulu? Yang datang dahulu adalah poli. So poli yang datang dulu, therefore poli yang terpilih menjadi the u. So your u right now here is x, while the dv right now here is the rest of them, which is the cos 2x dx. Apakah u kita? U kita adalah x, therefore I differentiate u with respect to x, gonna give me 1. Therefore, du is equals to dx. While my dv right now here, bukan v, it's a dv, guys. So sorry. It's a dv. dv, let dv is equals to cos. Cos apa? Cos 2x dx. It is the rest of them, as I said many times. It is the rest of them that will become the dv. Okay, I hope it's very clear already. The rest of them will become the dv. So the dv here is equals to cos 2x dx. And then kita nak buat apa? Kita nak integrate both sides. It's gonna give us v equal to, now integrate cos adalah sin 2x over 2. Kalau you tak ingat, you memang kena pergi balik video yang sebelum ni dan cubalah ingat dan hafal. Alright, and so I write down my question back. No, I don't have to write down the question back. I know already that this is u and this is the dv. And so saya just masukkan saja the uv minus integral v du. So my u is right now here is, my u is x, my v is sin 2x over 2 minus if integral of the v times it with du. My du is right now here is dx. I hope by now you understand these things already. And then what can I do here is I simplify it. I will get 1 over 2 bring outside. I'll get this. And then I almost finish. My answer is just integrate sine 2x is actually negative cos 2x over 2 plus c. Therefore, the very, very final answer is x sines 2x over 2 plus cos 2x over 4 plus with c. That is my final answer. Before I stop, I would like to conclude a very important thing here, which is, if you look closely, why am I using these questions to be used with the technique of by parts only? Kenapa saya ajar memakai by parts sahaja? Adakah soalan-soalan ini tidak boleh dipakai menggunakan teknik substitution method? Is it? Or can we do it actually by using substitution method? So basically like this. First, apabila you menjawab soalan integration, lagi-lagi you macam blur, you tak tahu nak pakai integration yang mana satu. So the first step, okay, this is the very crucial steps. Okay, the very first step is you try substitution method dulu. Okay, substitution method is the method that you must try first. If substitution method fail, kalau dia fail, barulah you go to the next step, which is you pakai IBP. IBP means integration by parts. So let's scan why cannot use substitution method. Kenapa? Memang tak boleh pun. Soalan-soalan ini semua tak boleh pakai substitution method, but why? Okay, let's say lah kan. Let's say I let you pakai substitution method. Let's say we want to try substitution method. So let u as ln x, okay, because this is to the power of 1, so I can let u as a ln x. And then I differentiate du dx, it will give me 1 over x. Am I right? So untuk substitution method, kita kena jadikan dx sebagai subject, and so x du, the thing that we will get. And then saya nak transformkan lah ini kepada huruf u. So it will become integral of u times apa? Times dx. Dx kita adalah x du. And so it is what? It is integrate u and then x and then what? And then du together. So apa benda ni? Are we trying to integrate u with respect to u? Yeah, it is supposed to be like that. But kita ada extra kat sini. Kita ada extra bit here. Extra x dekat sini, which is unnecessarily there. It shouldn't be there. Tak boleh sepatutnya berada di sini. So from here, we know that this cannot what? Cannot use substitution method. Itulah penentuan dia. Penentuan apabila you nampak dua huruf di dalam satu integral, di mana sepatutnya satu integral itu mempunyai satu huruf sahaja, baru kita boleh integrate dia. Am I right? So the moment you see two kind of alphabets here, and then you are about to integrate it, you cannot integrate both alphabets, right? Unless there is something to cut. Melainkan ada sesuatu yang boleh di-cut. Tapi soalan ini tak ada pun x di bawah ni supaya kita boleh cut x tersebut. Tak ada kan? So x ni macam mana? Macam mana nak hilangkan x? So no way to hilangkan x. So it means that substitution method cannot be used. Therefore we use by part. How about nombor 2? Nombor 2 ni, mari kita fikirkan kenapa substitution method tidak boleh dipakai. So now I try to let my u as what? I try to let my u as the x here. And as I said, to the power of exponent tersebut akan jadi u, betul tak? So u kita adalah x. Tapi apabila kita differentiate u with respect to x, it has becoming 1. And then du is equals to dx. Therefore, when you trying to substitute it back into the question, tukarkan semua ni dalam bentuk huruf u, dia akan jadi x darab 2 kuasa u du. Sebab dx kita sekarang ini adalah du. That's why I put here du. And so you will figure it out that, oh my god, again, kalaulah integrate everything in terms of u, tak ada masalah. Tapi sekarang ni kita ada extra bit here. Kita ada extra x dekat situ. So how do we do this if we have an extra x in front here? Kita tak boleh nak integrate pun kalau kita ada extra huruf dekat sini yang selain daripada huruf u. So tak boleh lah. So this is the moment of you know that substitution method does not work. Okay, it's not working here. Therefore, when it is not working, apabila substitution tidak boleh diguna pakai, di situlah bermakna you pakai IBP, by parts. Okay, you must use IBP the moment substitution method tak berjaya dipakai. And so the same goes to this number 5 and 6. You experiment sendiri, you akan nampak, oh, substitution tak boleh pakai. Jadi aku pakai by parts, IBP. Okay. Now, if you look at here, let's say lah ini. Let's say lah soalan ini saya create. I create this question, okay? Then I want you to think whether I should use step 1 or straight away step 2. Macam mana nak tahu? Nak pakai substitution method ataupun nak pakai by parts? How do I know which one is the correct method to use? So the way to do it is, you jangan panik, you cuba dulu substitution method. Kalau substitution method berjaya, so you cancel lah by part ni. Okay, now let's test. Let u equals to ln x. Okay, but this is to the power of 1, therefore, let u equals to ln x, and then du dx is equals to 1 over x. Okay, now kita nak jadikan dx sebagai subject, therefore kita akan dapat x du. And then we want to substitute back into the question. We will get u over x times with our dx. Our dx now has become x du. So boleh tak kita cut x tersebut? Yeah, we are so happy to cut it. Tapi sebelum tu saya masukkan dulu x du di sini. And then saya akan nampak walaupun dia adalah huruf yang campur, huruf u ada, huruf x pun ada, and then with respect to u, macam tak kena je, betul tak? Memang dia tak kena, tapi dia boleh di-cut. The moment dia boleh di-cut, it has become everything is in terms of u, which is you are very happy because you can integrate it happily. So this question boleh dipakai substitution method. Tak perlulah pakai by parts. Kalau sudah pun tahu, boleh pakai substitution method. So sebelum tu, nak katanya you guys mestilah try and error. Try and error dari mana? Mesti wajib try and error daripada substitution method. Kalau substitution method berjaya, then you are happy. Kalau tak berjaya, don't be sad. You must use IBP by parts.